Hi boys, let's start question number 1, part 4. Perfect. So question 1, part 4, the class mark is given, which means this is the midpoint of a class interval. Now, the midpoint is 16, the next midpoint is 24, which means the class interval is of, the class size is 8. So 24 minus 16, which is equal to 8. Let's divide this by 2, so which is 4. So I will be able to find my class interval if I subtract 4 from 16 and add 4 to 16. So this will be 12 to 20. How did I get this? 16 minus 4 gave me 12 and 16 plus 4 gave me 20. Similarly, this will be 20 to 28. This will be 28 to 36. This will be 36 to 44. This will be 44 to 52. This will be 52 to 60. And this will be 60 to 68. Let's check. If this was my class interval, what would have been my class mark? My class mark would have been 12 plus 20 upon 2, which is 32 upon 2, which is 16. Perfect. My calculations are correct. This is 16. Is the frequency given? Yes, frequency is given. Then why did I not write it? 8, 12, 15, 18, 25, 19 and 10. So now let's plot first. So this is my x-axis. This is my y-axis. This is 0. The first one we are starting with is 12. So this is 12, 20, 28, 36, 44, 52, 60, 68. Perfect. Again I put a king because each block of 2 is equivalent to 8, whereas the first one would have been 12. That's why to remove that problem I have put a king. Now let's look at on the y-axis. So I need to start with 8 and I need to go with up to 25. So again, if I take 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. No, if I will start with 8, I have to go up to 16. So 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 22, 24. Perfect. So I can again take a kink even on the y-axis and I can start with 8. This is 10. This is 12. This is 14. Next is 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. We have to go up to 25. So 26. Here I have plotted class interval going up in this way, and here I have plotted frequency. So 12 to 20 is 8. I repeat, use a scale. This software does not have the option of using a scale. You should use a scale, mandatory. Next one is 12. So I go up to 12. So this is 20 to 28 is 12. The next is 15, which is exactly in the middle of 14 to 16. So I go up to 15. This is the fifth line. Perfect. And then the next one is 18, which is here. And I plot 18. I'm repeating, my graph is not looking so good. The histogram is not looking so good because I'm not using a scale. And the next one is 25, which is the tallest building here. Again, we discussed histogram. There is no difference or there is no space between each bar. Otherwise, this is the same as a bar graph, which we always learned. Perfect. The next one is 19, which will be exactly between 18 and 20, which is here, fifth line. Perfect. And the last one is 10. So this is 10. I repeat and repeat, do not use freehand, use a scale. And the last thing remaining is the scale. So on X axis, I have 2 centimeter is equal to 8 units, and on Y axis, I have 2 centimeter is equal to 10 to 12, that's 2 units. Perfect. Thank you.